It's Lily Tomlin, Jane Fonda, Sally Field, Rita Moreno, watching those four bounce off each other. But before anything else happens, it's great.
There's the football, there's the older women, there's the hijinks, there's the romp of it all. Some of the friendships I actually have that are the people in this film have truly inspired my life.
They're so professional, they're very funny, they're smart, they are wise, they are everything a girlfriend should be. And we have become friends, and that's pretty fabulous.
It's about female friendship and how that sustains them for years and years. And Tom Brady's in the movie.
Truly amazing women, and just really proud to be associated with all the hard work that they put into this. You know, I think meaningful relationships is what life's all about.
Tom's a very good actor. He listens very carefully. He's just a sweet presence. He's concerned about what's going on with me, how we feel about the scene. Most of all, he listens like a good actor does.
I was nervous. I showed up on set, and you know, there's just so many accomplished actors, and they bring so much. Every time they choose onto a role, they put their heart and soul into it.
He's a natural actor and a really nice person. He was very kind to us and generous, and he gave us all signed jerseys, and he's a good guy.
I worked with the girls, and they are like the finest of fine aged wine. I mean, Rita is 91. She's a firecracker.
When I visited the locker room, which is one of the scenes, I got turned on. And I know, I'm shocked. I was shocked. I kept saying to myself, wait a minute, you're 90, what is wrong with you? And then I thought, wait, there's nothing wrong with that.
It's a good time, it's a lot of big laughs.
It's a great story, first of all. I've seen it about 8 times, so again tonight, that'll be 9.
I think they'll love it because it's about friendship, it's about chosen family, it's about love, you know, and we're all here and we're all present and we're all loving each other.
But they'll laugh and they'll be moved and they'll come out of it feeling good about things, and that's important right now.